Hello! It's time to continue Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. I'm streaming this again for an empty audience, but it makes it easier to upload it to YouTube as well. So I don't really mind, as long as I have fun doing this. One of these days someone will watch it, right? Let's just continue, I guess. I don't want a new game. I'm psyched up, I'm drinking energy drink. I kinda have a cold and a stuffy nose. But I always seem to have that when I turn to streaming, so that's fun. Oh shit. We already did this. But that's fine, I guess. Why are you doing this to me, game? Oh, okay, yeah, I remember. Had to jump at him. He can jump really high. Oh no. Not this again. I'm not ready for this. Look at this game. Building up the music, building up your hopes. Making you enjoy this amazingly created griffin thingy. Damn it, game. Could you not have saved after that scene? Is that the game saying all things come to an end, but you have to cherish the memories that you have? Bye bye, Griffin thing. It was short but amazing. Let's take his feather with us. Down the mountain path we go. Ah, you can't take the feather with you all the way. I lost it automatically. Oh, what's that thing over there? Oh, it's like a buzzard, or whatever those things are called. Holy shit. That's a giant-ass armored man. Who appears to have been through a war. There's like a whole battle zone in the background. I was not expecting this. Oh, there's a little look bench here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he has 5 toes. Don't know why that's important, but it is. Trust me. Ooh, another one. Giant ass sword. These guys look amazing, but sadly they're dead. Well, this is not horrible at all. Oh my god. Into the valley of death, I guess. I almost forgot that the little one has problems with water. Understandably so, but still. Okay, time to boost each other. I don't see a rope to put down. Maybe it's this branch. There we go. Look at me being smart. But it was really obvious. Oh shit. I'm sorry, dude. That was a big smash. Holy shit. Ata! Oh my god. Oh, did he help him? Back through the river of blood. I feel like a Metal Gear song should start playing while walking through this river. What was that guy again? Was it the Sorrow? It's been too long. Balancing act on a giant axe. That's not something you see every day. I mean, everything in this game is kinda something you don't see every day. Push, 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 push. Ew. That's bad. That's really, really bad. Oh well. One man's dead, another man's bread, or something like that. Ooh, what's that down there? Looks like... Are there people down there worshipping someone or something? Yeah. No. That's just what we were missing, a crazy cult. Shoo, birds, shoo. How are all of them dead? Oh, there's a giant crossbow up there. And I apparently have to use. Oh my god, that bird sounded like a cat. Is it just me or do they sound like angry cats? Ah, string the bow. Oh my god, this guy is going to get it right in the face. And he's already dead. Or was he?
Oh, Nayi! Yeah!
Well... Is there something over here? Oh. Okay, did that do anything? Or is it just for an achievement? That's amazing. Okay, cool. Achievement earned. You saw it here first on Mr. Gris Achievement Hunter. Nah, not at all. Can't believe you just shot that guy in the face with a giant arrow. The giant guy with a giant arrow. It just makes it a normal arrow for him, I guess. To the cultists we go! Nothing wrong can happen with cultists. Oh my god. Under the waterfall of blood. Oh, ew. They're covered in blood water. This stuff is way more metal than I expected this game to be. What's this? Oh, nothing. I like how they leave little footprints. Hello? Doesn't look like there's anything in there. And oh my god, those guys make some crazy sounds down there. Do you hear that? Yapala! La la! Didn't sound anything like that. Oh, there we go, we're clean again. Wash away the blood. I'm already a demon. Uh-oh. I mean, if you're looking for a place to do dark rituals, a river of giant's blood is probably a good place to do it at. I think it's down. I saw like a little extension going over the water thingy. Yeah. Oh wait. No. Hey yo dudes. Whoa. Did I just die? Oh, okay. Is this like a hint? Yeah, it is. Oh my god. And now what? To be... Oh, should I see? Have to be covered in blood as well. Are they going to worship us now? Ooga booga! Stikmalaje! Oh shit. Look at this. And what now? Oh shit. They realize they've been duped. Run away! Using both sticks at once. That wasn't actually that hard. Achtung! Oh shit.
Mahamida.
Araba.
Iya dahi.
Mabi here.
Okay.
Mahamida.
Mabi here.
I was about to say, why does no one explain stuff in this world? But I mean, it's not like I understand them anyway. Oh no, I see where this is going. Yeah, have to use the 2 sticks. Oh my god. If you have ever done this in real life, it depends a lot on the person you're working with, how good it's going to go. But now I'm working with myself, my 2 thumbs actually, so... Oh look, we're in the north. We're going to run into the Lich King over here. Oh, look at that thing under us. There's always a bigger fish. Oh shit, they look like weird alien orcas. You bitching fish. It looks amazing, but please don't wreck my boat. It's only a tiny boat. You don't know how much trouble some people will go through for a boat. Which instantly makes me think of the Walking Dead Telltale games. If you ever played it, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, orca fish, this is not annoying at all.
Araba. Aga.
There we go. Into the carcass of a dead animal. Why not? Ooh, it's slippery on the ice. Oh my god, where did she go? Did she just leg it? Oh, there she is. What the hell is that noise? Oh, it's a weird icy turtle thing. I bounced on his head. Looks like it's gold. And what's this over here? Can I like help carry this? Oh, no. I'm either doing a really bad thing or an awesome thing. Ah! Oh. And there we go. I think I helped it. Oh, there's another one. Almost didn't spot it there. Can I just like bump it down?
Da.
Yeah, I know.
Atta.
Yeah, I know. Just pick it up already. Oh, this is a fat one. Oh, look, I'm kinda holding him in front of me. I'm picking him up using the force. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Turtle soup. That's nice. That's like a turtle reference. Cool.
Raba.
Raba. Is she yelling me to go faster?
Atta.
Where the fuck did she go? Oh, I see. How did she get? How did she do that so fast? That's crazy. Are all these people mountain people that can climb with no problems? I wouldn't be able to do that. Oh, look at this.
Atta. Da.
Otai.
Atta.
Just like frozen wood
Kaya?
people here. Wood people, like lumberjacks and stuff like that. That's weird. That's really, really weird. Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, is there anything up here? It seems to be only a bench. Oh, that's the lake we were at earlier. And there's a castle over there. Oh, damn. I did not expect that to happen. Well. That was amazing. I think it's time to get some wood. Cut the trees. Come on. There we go. Well, that didn't help us at all. But we can use this to cut her. I mean the tree next to her.
Puna. Kaya. Otay. Kaya.
Super speed. Sawing action.
Puna. Kaya.
There we go. Nice. Oh shit. Ow. Look at him showing off. Going backwards over the log. Ah, there's a woman in play. Instantly the older one starts showing off. I know that wasn't a thing. Just to be clear. And look at this, there's a village down there. Something tells me it's not going to be a happy village. What the hell?
Otay.
How does an army freeze like this? There has to be magic involved, right? Right. Oh shit. I don't feel good about doing this, but okay.
Ato.
Um. Oh, okay. That shouldn't work in real life. Shooting someone with a catapult is not a safe thing to do. Never. Ah, it's splitting us up. What the fuck? It's even invisible.
Puna.
Hmm?
Otay.
What's going on? What are we doing? I see. Some Spider-Man action. Or Assassin's Creed action.
Ata.
Whoa! Holy shit! She can...
Ata.
My god, she's amazing! Such jumps!
Ato.
Well, that's an amazing way to hide. Did he just like casually walk over the roof? Is that what happened? I thought he was stuck there for a second.
Kaya.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just check if there's nothing over there. Just seems to be nothing. I mean, these two brothers do a lot of hanging out, hanging around. Just hanging on random objects. How's it hanging, bro? She's amazing with her jumps, by the way. Oh no, not this again. Uh-oh. I guess he likes ice cream, popsicles, human popsicles. Is that why everyone is icy here? Because he did it and now he's like casually eating them? Or is there fall magic at play? Damn it, lady. Well, that can be good. Is there a run faster button that I'm missing? Eat shit, you giant invisible monster thing.
Maya. Alila.
Oh damn. Well, this is what happens, little bro. I don't feel like now is the time to be casually flirting around in a dark, dank forest. But it is. It's actually not dark and dank at all, it's quite beautiful.
Naya.
I.
Tia lila. Tahon. Ta.
Na. Tia ma.
Ila Naya. Ila.
Na. Ta ma. Mabadi. Here.
You don't understand, little bro. He wants to crush that puss. It's awful. Why is she going behind us? Are that more frozen people? Or is that more like cocoon people? Oh no, are we going to run into a giant spider? Don't oh my god, a spider web as well! Why does every game have to have this? Is she going to be the spider? Why is she going all golem on us? That's all kinds of fucked up. I was expecting some limbo-esque spider, but this is not what I expected at all. Oh shit, I see. What's she even doing with her little legs? Bam! Run, 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 run! Can I not get in this? How do I have to pull? Oh shit. She's after him. She wants him. Okay. This is pretty straightforward so far. Oh my god. I hate the music here. It's the worst. Bam! Well, what's going on now? What is that noise? What the fuck is that noise? Is that her? Oh man, don't make me feel bad for killing a spider woman. Can I just stop and get out of here? Nah, I need to deal with this. Oh shit!
Sadita!
Oh no. What?
Wade. Tarida.
Well, this sucks. But I'm going to be honest, it makes it kinda easier because I'm playing as one character now. With the controls. Ah, are you fucking kidding me? I can't see shit. Oh, that looks amazing. This looks like some elven shit. Or like the magic trees from Game of Thrones. And we are all the way in the north.
Nai. Mafi. Leita.
Mali.
Lawa.
Oh shit, he has like a hole in his stomach.
Lawa di. Lawa. Lawa nai.
Oh shit. I think I can see where this is going to go.
Ilai!
Lawa ya.
This is going to be save your dad or your brother. Are they going to make me choose? Well, no point in delaying, just gotta keep going.